Imagine a future where aging is optional. A future where age is just a number. A future where we live longer, healthier lives. This is the future that anti-aging science is working towards. For centuries, humans have been searching for the fountain of youth. We've tried countless remedies, from drinking exotic elixirs to bathing in special waters. Today, science is making unprecedented progress in understanding the aging process. We are on the cusp of a revolution in healthcare, one that could change everything. This is not science fiction. This is the future that is within our reach. By unlocking the secrets of aging, we can unlock a future of unprecedented human potential. The quest to understand aging is as old as civilization itself. Ancient cultures developed elaborate myths and legends about immortality. They searched for magical herbs and potions to prolong life. While these early attempts were based on superstition, they reflect a fundamental human desire, the desire to live longer and healthier lives. The scientific study of aging, known as gerontology, began in the 20th century. Scientists started to unravel the complex biological processes that contribute to aging. They discovered that aging is not simply a matter of time passing. It's a complex process of cellular damage and decline. This understanding paved the way for new approaches to anti-aging. Scientists are no longer just trying to slow down aging. They are actively working to reverse it at the cellular level. One of the most promising areas of anti-aging research is cellular repair. Our cells have remarkable abilities to repair themselves, but this ability declines as we age, leading to a buildup of damage and ultimately, aging. Scientists are developing new technologies to boost the body's natural repair mechanisms. One such technology is senolytics. Senolytics are drugs that selectively eliminate senescent cells, cells that have stopped dividing and are contributing to inflammation and tissue damage. By clearing out these zombie cells, senolytics have the potential to delay or even reverse age-related diseases. Another exciting area is stem cell therapy. Stem cells are undifferentiated cells that can develop into any type of cell in the body. Scientists are exploring ways to use stem cells to regenerate damaged tissues and organs, potentially reversing some of the effects of aging. Section 4. Gene editing. Rewriting the language of aging. Our genes play a crucial role in how we age. Scientists have identified specific genes that influence lifespan and health span. With the advent of powerful gene editing tools like CRISPR-Cas9, we now have the ability to precisely alter the genetic code. CRISPR has the potential to revolutionize anti-aging medicine. Scientists are exploring its use in correcting genetic defects that contribute to aging, enhancing DNA repair mechanisms, and even programming cells for longevity. While gene editing is still in its early stages, it holds immense promise for treating age-related diseases and extending lifespan. However, gene editing is a powerful technology that comes with ethical considerations. It's crucial to proceed with caution and ensure that these therapies are used responsibly and ethically. Section 5. A future of longer, healthier lives. The science of anti-aging is rapidly advancing. While we haven't discovered the fountain of youth, we are closer than ever to understanding the fundamental mechanisms of aging. The breakthroughs in cell repair, gene editing, and other areas hold the potential to transform human health and longevity. Imagine a future where people not only live longer but also live healthier lives. A future where age-related diseases are a thing of the past. A future where people can enjoy their later years with vitality and purpose. This is the future that anti-aging science is working towards. As we continue to unlock the secrets of aging, we must also consider the societal implications of these advancements. How will longer lifespans affect our economies, healthcare systems, and social structures? These are important questions that we need to address as we enter this uncharted territory of human longevity.